Mom, it's speed. It's speed.
That's not actual speed.
It is.
Hey, hey, mom.
No, you know what? The fact that I said you should go but we're just talking this morning.
Oh.
You
Okay.
said you refuse to finish.
Why your mom ain't say hi to me?
Mom, say hi to Speed.
Hey, mom, what's up?
Huh? Are you sure it's him?
Mom.
It is.
Hi. Is it really you?
Yeah.
How did you call him? Tell me.
It's
He got my
Omegel.
number. He got his number. I got his number.
I don't believe you. Why don't I believe you? Whenever you can do AI.
I can't.
Yes, this is AI, mom. I'm sorry, but this is AI.
Yes, it's AI.
That's not AI. Is it AI?
This is AI. Can I get your credit card information?
But how did you do it? Tell me.
I don't know.
And how? What did you do?
Is that real? Yes, it's real.
Is it real?
Yes.
Let me see.
Hey,
Wait,
mom.
I can see this a bit.
It's me, mom. It's me. It's me. I show speed.
Are you serious?
Yes, you got a bottle of whiskey in your hand.
Go and spill anything.
It's me.
Are you really serious?
Yes.
Where are you now?
I'm in Botswana.
Ah, Botswana.
Yeah.
No, I don't
am.
believe you.
I'm in Botswana.
When did you come?
I came 2 days ago. I'm here for the Okavona Delta. I'm just traveling abroad. What y'all doing though?
Are you going to pass in?